Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Flow Hub. I'm Amy.
And I'm Chris. It's wonderful to have you here today.
Today, we're going to talk about Sunday routines. You know what families do on Sundays?
Yes, this is perfect for practicing everyday English. We'll learn how to talk about your weekend activities.
We'll share real examples from our lives, and we'll practice together, step by step.
Before we begin, please give us a like. It helps other learners find us.
And don't forget to subscribe. We create new lessons every week to help you improve.
Okay, Amy, what do you usually do on Sundays?
Oh, I love Sundays. Let me tell you all about it. Let's start.
Let's start from the beginning. Sunday morning. Amy, what time do you wake up on Sunday?
On Sundays, I wake up at 9 o'clock. That's much later than weekdays.
Yes, most people wake up late on Sunday because it's a rest day. Let's practice that phrase. Repeat after me. I wake up at 9 o'clock on Sunday.
Good. Now you can use any time. I wake up at 8 o'clock. I wake up at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. So, Amy, what do you do after you wake up?
First, I stay in bed for a few minutes. I check my phone and relax.
Oh, I do that too. Stay in bed means you don't get up immediately. Let's practice. I stay in bed for a few minutes.
Excellent. Then I get up and make breakfast. Sunday breakfast is special.
Yes, many families make a big breakfast on Sunday. What do you eat, Amy?
I usually make eggs and toast. Sometimes I have pancakes.
Yum. Let's practice talking about breakfast. Repeat, I make eggs and toast for breakfast.
Great. You can also say, I have pancakes on Sunday morning. Or, my family eats breakfast together.
Let's try that one. Repeat, my family eats breakfast together.
Wonderful. Eating together is a nice Sunday tradition for many families.
Here's a full example. Listen, on Sunday morning, I wake up at 9 o'clock. I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get up and make eggs and toast. My family eats breakfast together.
Perfect. That's exactly how you describe your Sunday morning routine. After breakfast, families usually do activities together. Let's talk about this.
Yes. Common question, what do you do on Sunday? Let's learn how to answer.
Chris, what do you do on Sunday with your family?
We go to the park, we take a walk, and the kids play on the playground.
That's lovely. Did you hear those phrases? Go to the park, take a walk, play on the playground.
Let's practice the first one. Repeat. We go to the park on Sunday.
Good. Another one. We take a walk together.
Excellent. Now, let me share what my family does. We visit my parents every Sunday.
Oh, that's nice. Visit means go to see someone. Let's practice. We visit my parents on Sunday.
Perfect. What else do families do? Amy, tell us more activities.
Well, some families go shopping. Some families watch movies at home. Some families go to church.
Great examples. Let's practice each one. Repeat after Amy. We go shopping on Sunday.
Good. Next, we watch movies at home.
Nice. One more. We go to church on Sunday morning.
Excellent. All of these are common Sunday activities.
Here's a useful phrase. We spend time together. This means you do activities as a family.
Yes. Let's practice. We spend time together on Sunday.
Perfect. Listen to this full example. On Sunday afternoon, we go to the park. We take a walk and spend time together. Sometimes we visit my parents for lunch.
Beautiful. That sounds like a perfect Sunday.
Now let's talk about Sunday meals. Many families have special meals on Sunday.
Yes. In my family, we have a big Sunday lunch. We cook together and eat at the table.
A big Sunday lunch. This is very common. Many families make a special meal on Sunday.
Let's practice that phrase. Repeat. We have a big Sunday lunch.
Great. What do you usually cook, Amy?
We cook chicken with vegetables, or sometimes we make pasta. It depends.
Nice. It depends means it's different each week. Let's practice food phrases. Repeat. We cook chicken with vegetables.
Good. Another one. We make pasta for lunch.
Excellent. Some families prefer Sunday dinner instead of lunch.
Yes. Listen. We have Sunday dinner at 6 o'clock. The whole family sits together.
The whole family sits together. This is important. It means everyone eats at the same time.
Let's practice. The whole family sits together for dinner.
Perfect. Here's another useful phrase. We help with the cooking. This means everyone helps prepare the meal.
Yes. In my family, my kids help set the table. My husband helps cook.
Great. Let's practice. I help with the cooking on Sunday.
Excellent. And I help set the table.
Wonderful. Listen to this complete example. On Sunday, we have a big lunch at 1 o'clock. I help with the cooking. We make chicken with vegetables. The whole family sits together and we talk about our week.
Perfect. That's a beautiful Sunday meal routine. Finally, let's talk about Sunday evening. This is time to relax.
Yes. After dinner, what do families do? Amy?
In the evening, we watch TV together, or we play board games.
Nice. Play board games means games like chess, Monopoly, or cards. Let's practice. We play board games on Sunday evening.
Good. You can also say, we watch TV together, or we relax at home.
Let's try those. Repeat. We watch TV together.
Great. Another, we relax at home.
Excellent. Now, Sunday evening is also time to prepare for Monday.
Yes. Many people prepare for the work week. Listen, I prepare my clothes for Monday. I check my schedule.
Let's practice. I prepare my clothes for Monday.
Good. And I check my schedule for the week.
Perfect. Here's the last example. On Sunday evening, we relax at home. We watch a movie together. Then I prepare my clothes for Monday and go to bed early.
Wonderful. That's a complete Sunday routine from morning to evening.
Wow, we talked about the whole Sunday routine today. Let's recap everything.
Sunday morning. I wake up at 9 o'clock. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I make eggs and toast. My family eats breakfast together.
Sunday activities. We go to the park. We take a walk. We visit my parents. We spend time together.
Sunday meals. We have a big Sunday lunch. We cook chicken with vegetables. The whole family sits together. I help with the cooking.
Sunday evening. We watch TV together. We play board games. We relax at home. I prepare my clothes for Monday.
These phrases will help you talk about your weekend in English. Practice describing your own Sunday routine.
Remember, everyone's Sunday is different. That's okay. Just use these phrases to describe your activities.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do on Sunday with your family?
Yes, write it in English. You can say, we go to the park on Sunday, or we have a big lunch together, or I relax and watch movies.
We read every single comment, and we'll reply with more examples to help you practice.
Thank you so much for listening today. Please hit that like button.
And subscribe. We post new English lessons every week to help you improve.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy your Sundays.
Bye, everyone.
Amy. Bye.